In one of my accounts, I already have over 98 landing pages built inside of this account, and these are not templates, these are actual landing pages, right? Let me walk you through what I'm using these landing pages, why do I need them, and what they are actually doing for me. The first thing is this: if you know that you are driving traffic through Facebook and other paid or organic channels, right, you want to drive this traffic onto a landing page or an opt-in page, right? And that is one of the first things you want to use Systemi.io for, in order for you to start to collect leads, customer leads that are coming from this particular advert that you're running. So you want to have an opt-in page. An opt-in page is a place where people will come and they'll put in their emails and also give you their name, so that you can follow them up for whatever products that they came for. Then the next thing is you want to create an email sequence. Now, an email sequence allows you to literally start drip feeding these contacts with valuable information. It must be valuable, right? Valuable information that they can be consuming. Over time, they will now go to your sales page, right? On your sales page, they cannot get to buy, pay you. Now, this sequence is very, very important. On your sales page will usually have the checkout. Now, the checkout is where they now eventually put in their credit card and they make payment for your products. Now, look at something very important. From step number 1 to this last step here, you are using Systemi.io to do every one of these steps. On a normal day, you are supposed to, apart from the traffic part of it, that you are getting your traffic from other sources, you are supposed to go host this particular opt-in page in a different platform. Then you now have your email platform separately, right, where you pay another amount of money. Then you now have a sales page separately where you pay another amount of money, and a checkout page. But now doing it in Systemi.io allows you to literally save a lot of money. That is why I'm using this platform, right? And at the moment, you can get Systemi.io for free. I will leave the link below. Go and get it. Start creating your funnels. Apart from creating your funnels, you'll be able to even do some crazy stuff like affiliate marketing. Create your own course. You have your funnel inside of it that will help you to drive sales to your digital product or to whatever physical product that you are selling. And it's very, very easy. I have a ton of content around Systemi.io and how you can get started with it. I think the best thing you want to do for yourself right now is to go register for it, then go to my channel, go and watch the next video I'm about to show you right now, so that you can start learning how to create all your landing pages to your checkout and even your website for free on Systemi.io platform. Alright guys, if you are pumped and hyped up about this platform and you want to start using it, I suggest you watch the next video on your screen to get started.